Once upon a time, there was a little dog named Rika who had an unfortunate encounter. She accidentally wandered into the territory of a group of monkeys who were very aggressive and didn't want to let her go. Rika was scared and tried to run away, but the monkeys started chasing and attacking her from all sides. However, her strong instinct for self-preservation told her that she needed to fight for her life. Rika started fighting back, barking and biting the monkeys whenever possible. She knew that her opponents were stronger, faster, and more agile than her, but her courage and persistence helped her not to give up. Minutes turned into hours, and Rika was still battling the monkeys. Finally, when the group of monkeys realized that it wasn't so easy to defeat the little dog, they retreated, and Rika was able to run back to her owners.